Let's look at the classification of the illustration. Modern illustrations have various forms, which can be categorized by the medium as well as by form of expression. Media is the communication outlet or tool used to store and deliver information or data. Then, when classifying medium, it can be divided into two main categories: print medium and visual medium. The two pieces we see now belong to the category of print medium. This one is a book. A three-dimensional illustration is drawn, which makes it peculiar. We can see that the characters are all in a stereoscopic way, which is lively and interesting. Also, the middle of the book is hollowed, which reveals a structure of layers and layers of circles. And this structure is very interesting and lively, and makes you really want to touch. Now we see a poker-like piece. The surfaces of the work are all in the form of illustrations, making them much richer and more entertaining. When classified by print medium, it can be divided into illustrations for advertising posters, newspapers, magazines, product packagings, and corporate images. We're now looking at two pieces. One is an illustration of an advertising poster. This is a poster for a concert called Little Red Riding Hood's Hope. This story, as we all know, is Little Red and a Bad Wolf, though in this piece, we see no little red, just a big gray wolf. The whole picture is in a grayish tone. The wolf's form was quite exaggerated. We can see snow-white teeth, great fur, and tiny eyes. The whole picture is in a gray, but a few red stains on top gives us something to associate. Another point is that the words and images are very, very harmonious. The wolf is presented by hand drawing with some small brushes to show the texture of this wolf skin with ease. The designer used the same approach, a rough, natural, handwritten state of being to express the words. So the whole picture is very harmonious in context. This piece is the wrapper of a corporate identity. The packaging is exceptional, with very rich and high purity colors. Instead of using a dark background, this piece leaves a large area of white space. Normally when we use high purity colors, we choose a heavy shade to hold the picture. But that's not the case in this piece. The painter chose plain white, but we still find the image to be clean, uncluttered, not messy, and the whole picture is in a very harmonious state. Now let's take a look at visual medium. The distribution of visual medium, which includes film, television, web, and UI design, and so forth. Illustrations used in visual medium mainly refer to the ones in films and TV series, and generally appears more in promos. Because of the development of computers and the internet, the use of commercial illustration has been expanded greatly. A lot of cartoons, game shows, and UI, for example, are beginning to be represented in the form of illustrations. The next piece of work is a screenshot of a web design. In it, we see a free state of mind. The work seems to be painted with an oil stick in a very easy way. The text is presented in the same way. It's handwritten in a relaxing way. including some small embellished graphics. Seeing an interface like this, we won't think it's a pharmaceutic or technology-related website, because it's not rigorous or serious. It provides a more ease and free feeling, which make us naturally associate that this could be something about art form or about music.